Hi everyone, we introduced the top tourism brands. We tackle or we compare the Azure Urban Manila and Shangri-La Boracay. So, in Shangri-La Boracay is a luxury 5-star resort located on the northern coastline of Boracay Island. They declared 5-star because of their accommodation and option that luxury, and also the amenities, services, packages, and promotion, and also the views of Boracay. Also, they awarded for at least 5 times. Yeah, the Azure Urban Resort Residence in Manila is a luxurious residential development that brings beachfront living to the heart of the city, which is located in Bicutan, Parañaque City. It offers a unique blend of relaxation and convenience. They best to market because of their very affordable accommodation prices and their beachfront living, a large-scale man-made beach concept in a residential development, tropical, modern, and aesthetic, and their amenities also uniqueness amenities and their type of pools and very pet friendly.
How each brand is perceived by consumers. Shangri-La is widely perceived by consumers as a top-tier luxury hotel brand, especially renowned in the Asia-Pacific region. It is associated with premium quality, elegant accommodation, and high standards of service. A key differentiator is the authentic Asian hospitality. Guests frequently highlight the warm, caring, and respectful attitude of the staff. The brand is also recognized for its personalized service, with the staff often going above and beyond to tailor experiences to individual preferences. This attention to the detail helps create memorable and emotionally engaging stays supported by campaigns like Shangri-La Moments. Azure Urban Resort Residences in Parañaque, Metro Manila is a condominium development known for its resort-style amenities, including a man-made beach and wave pool. While it offers unique features, guest experiences vary. Positive aspects: unique amenities. Guests appreciate the man-made beach and wave pool, offering a distinctive staycation experience. Convenient location. Proximity to SM Bicutan and accessibility to NAIA Airport are frequently noted as advantage. Security. The gated community and presence of security personnel contribute to a sense of safety among guests. Areas for improvement. Service inconsistencies. Some guests report challenges with check-in procedures and communication with cost of or management.
Naman sa Shangri-La Boracay, yung brand positioning nila, promote ng Shangri-La Boracay yung isang high-end at exclusive na resort para sa mga mamamayang turista na naghahanap ng katahimikan, privacy, mga 5-star na serbisyo. Target market nila, tinututukan nito yung mga mamamayang tao, foreign tourists, mga bagong kasal, honeymooners, mga luxury travels na eco-friendly din. Marketing style, gumagamit sila ng mga piling larawan at video na nagpapakita ng ganda, katahimikan at kalikasan. Maayos at classy ang itsura sa lahat ng platforms, gaya ng Instagram, Facebook at website. Brand positioning, pagkakakilala ng brand. Promote ng Azure Beach Club Paris Hilton ang beach within the city na lifestyle. Parang nasa beach ka kahit nasa lungsod lang. Tinatayo ito bilang staycation at urban resort para sa mga young professional at mga nasa gitnang antas ng lipunan. Target market, sino yung mga inaasahang bisita? Para ito sa mga kabataan na mahilig sa Instagram, worthy na lugar na mga gustong mag-staycation, mga budget traveler, mga nakatira sa lungsod na naghahanap ng quick escape. Celebrity at influencer partnerships, para mapansin agad. Nakipag-collab sila sa mga celebrity at influencers para i-promote yung hotel. Hanggang ngayon, ang mga local influencers pa rin ang nagpro-promote ng short-term stays.
So here, shows that Shangri-La Boracay has a much stronger brand impact than Azure Residence Manila. Shangri-La benefits from a globally recognized brand, luxury positioning, commitment to sustainability, and generally positive reviews. Azure Residence Manila, on the other hand, suffers from negative feedback like cleanliness issues and a lack of global recognition.
Mas better talaga ang Shangri-La kesa Manila Azure. Dahil kaya nilang i-handle ang maraming guests ng sabay-sabay. Pero hindi natin ikakaila na maganda rin ang marketing strategy ng ginawa ng Manila Azure dahil sa ginawa nilang beach sa gitna ng syudad. Ngunit, kulang sa experience ang Manila Azure dahil hindi nila kayang i-maintain ang cleanliness kapag marami na ang guest na pumupunta sa kanila.
Aray ko!